How you doing? Give generously. Look, them know that me's a church treasurer, man. My main interest is in the collection. Sister Junie, how is the family? Fine, fine, fine. Give generously.
Half of them a word of prayers, man.
Hello, folks. Oh, me accent so maxi. Well, it sounds good, you know, but try not to talk more than necessary, you understand?
Aye.
Good.
No, but I tell this once if you give generously, because she might misunderstand you, and she too generous already. Hello, sister. You see her face light up when she hear that.
Oliver, just smile and nod, man.
Hello, my lady.
No. Just leave the one there alone. Out of bounds.
How is she?
She's mine. At the church secretary, man. Hello, Sister Jessica.
Sister Jessica. Do you know all of the church sister them name? Shh.
How you know all of the church sister them name? It's an Oliver video tonight. If you've been a subscriber of the channel for a while, or subscribe but you always watching videos them, you must remember one video of Oliver and the same man where he must say, yo, listen Oliver, me have a work for you. All I need to do, I come and say Canada or somewhere, I don't remember, and me gonna pay you $20 per what you call it, sermon. And Oliver say, come better than that. And then he say $100, and he say come better than that, and he say $500, come better than that, so till he reach $1,000. Yeah man, and then Oliver say, yeah, he will be the pastor, so it seemed like I follow up that. Anyways, if we can find the video, we gonna put it in this. If not, we will add it to our next video tomorrow or whenever. Anyways, like the video because they wanna go nice. Oliver, you know, say always make me laugh because Oliver in large.
Maria, come. Just smile and nod, smile and nod.
Hello, brother. God bless.
Give generously.
Lord, no, but I tell that they want like him to give generously, you know, see wife's squad are terrorizing Mount Corner. Wait, not even tell me that.
Oliver, just smile and nod, man. Freely you give, freely you shall receive, sister.
You never know say I like she come at church.
Shh, Oliver, cool it, man.
Evening, dear. I forgive, but I don't forget.
Oliver, cool it, no, man.
You know that girl come in my yard and thief my $200 and swear blind, you know she thief it.
No, we should do your yard. Give generously.
Yes, sir, Mr. Fiaran. Give her like a day's work. Evening, folks.
Just smile and nod, Oliver, man. Just smile and nod.
Evening, folks. Mafi, about how much people we have in there now? A whole heap of people we have in there, you know?
Yes, man, yes, man. Oh, evening, brother. We need a church building badly. Give generously.
This look like Brother Hernandez. Him have the most expensive store them in the plaza. Evening, brother. Thief.
Hello, Brother Hernandez. Give generously.
Oliver know everybody business. How would I get Oliver from? No, I need the me just tell the backstory, but me need the further backstory because I understand what really are going on. How Oliver know everybody and everybody business. Oliver say he know the lady because she come in yard and he sorry for her and give her 1 day's work. Lies! Oliver by front. Give generously. And if Oliver gave her generously.
It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle
than for a thief to see the face.
Oliver.
Hello, brother. How much people in know, Matthew?
627. Give generously. You know, if they give $20 aid at $12,540, that. Oh, yeah. Give generously. And not to mention the show of one them going to throw $100 bill.
Evening, brother. God bless.
Give generously.
Hey, how you know that this thing would work?
Faith, Oliver, faith.
Look who come in. So place. I finally catch up on that brute. You know, it's over 2 years now that man take me fish them, I go repair it and don't do nothing about it. I buy the compressor and give him. And every time I go in yard, him lock up in the house and his wife come out and tell me about say him gonna Miami gone buy spare parts.
Him have a store for me about 3 years now. But we can't cast him inside there, so he will mash up everything. Evening, brother Soapless. Give generously.
Oh yes, my brother. I would like to have a word with you after the service. I would very much like to minister unto you.
Oliver, just smile and nod, man.
Look, Beggy Beatrice.
Give thanks, Sister Beatrice, and give generously. You can't take your riches to heaven.
Oh, no matter how you come by them, beg, steal, or borrow.
Oliver, what's wrong with you, man? Just smile and nod, man. Just smile and nod.
Hey, Matthew, the passing work cannot too bad at all, you know.
Aye. See my favorite disciple, I come, boy. Miniskirt, Maxine.
Is that dress that she wearing, or is that shirt?
Greetings, Sister Maxine. Nice to see you as usual. I only hope you'll be in the front row.
Oh, yes, Sister Maxine. In the front row, in the middle. May you keep healthy and fat.
Oliver,
Junk already, Devon. Now come, junk already, Devon, and Kevin walk straight.
I hear same game wife Albertina. One hell of a beating last night, you see? Watch out behind him, no?
He must have come ask forgiveness.
Good evening, Sister Albertina. Toothache again. Oh, give thanks, Brother Devon. Give generously.
A terrible toothache you're having there, sister. Terrible toothache. Even blacks up your eye. Repent, I say repent, and great shall be.
Oliver, you need to calm down. You need to calm down, Oliver. Stop chatting people them business. Remember say I work, you come and stuff for work. Fake pastor and a chicken hair jerk. Pastor Oliver know everybody business. Sister Maxine, if you're in the comment section, say something. Cause half of Maxine them you know are good people them. Decent citizens of Jamaica. Well, me know no Maxine over here. No. But the second half of Maxine them, da. Them bad, them rude, them out nasty. Sister Maxine, if you're there, watch big up yourself. Give generously. Tomorrow Sunday, well today, when you're watching this is today, Sunday. Or it probably will be a Monday when I watch it. Whenever you go to church, Sabbath or Sunday, remember to give generously. Yeah, man. But Oliver, in my opinion, and many others, are king of comedy. And this is one of the reasons why we say that. Because me sure say, Oliver go off script multiple times in this look 5 minutes where we are watch. There's no way. Some of the things that Oliver said just now was in the script. Talk truth. Give generously, yeah, man. Anyways, give generously to the channel. Me no want no money. Just like a video. Me no want no money. Just leave a comment in the comment section. I don't want your money. Just share the video with your friends and family. Dirty Foot X and all these things. Me no want your money. Just subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Anyways, stay safe. God bless. When I must chat look a bit more.